And hello.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
Thank you, Vasiliki.
Nice to see you again.
Thank you very much and welcome.
Thank you for coming all the way out here to say goodbye.
Thank you very much.
How are you? Really?
Let me introduce you.
Yes.
This is our current cabinet secretary, a member of my cabinet. This is my deputy,
Hello. Nice to see you.
called Rigadi. Can you pronounce Rigadi?
Rigadi. You just got in yourself?
Yes, about 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes ago.
Yes.
Oh.
I was out of town
And,
and we lost my
yeah, that's, mid-March that it
Yeah,
met.
that was the night last year.
Oh, okay, not recently.
Not really.
Yeah.
It's never been like this. But we are hoping for some rain.
They're struggling,
Mm.
because their lifestyles, but it's on
Maybe,
stable